The clamor to abolish the Priority Development Assistance Fund led to another mass protest from multi-sectoral communities where participants pushed to implement change and stop corruption. This story from Yana Dormitorio.
The gathering of thousands of protesters all started with just a Facebook invitation which went viral in a few days in social media. A common feeling of hatred for corruption, especially with the pork barrel system, once again brought thousands to join a prayer rally dubbed as EDSA Tayo. The participants might have come from different walks of life, but they have had one message that's loud and clear. The corruption has to stop now, justice should be delivered fairly and immediately, and for the pork barrel system to be abolished.
Sa pagkabulok na to, samantalahin to ng mamamayan na samantalahin ang ganitong kaayusan para ipakita sa buong sambayanan na tayo ay nagkakaisa para sa pagbabago ng lipunan.
Yun ang panalangin namin na sana i-divert ang mga pondong ito sa social services. Huwag ibigay sa atin ang personal ibigay sa atin yung basic need.
Since EDSA Tayo was a prayer rally and not a political one, banners, streamers, and effigies with political insinuations were strictly prohibited in the area. This little restriction, however, has only sparked the creativity of participants. A group gathered signatures for the abolition of pork barrel. This is the Million People's Signatures.
So itong mga pirma na ito, pinapakita namin sa government na ito ay totoong taong mga pumipirma. In fact, ang iba kinukuhanan. Hindi ito kinuha sa directories or sa mga bar examinees.
A trio performed an original song about corruption and pork barrel scam. A group of foreigners gave food for the hungry and food for thought.
We're going to distribute food, free food after, and it is sanctified food. It is actually cooked in our temple. It is cooked by qualified monks.
Because this body, one day it will die. And where this wealth you will take? After death, where you will take this wealth? Nowhere.
Organizers were happy even though the turnout of people was much lesser than the Million People's March.
Hindi po kami nangangarap ng maraming tao. Hindi po yun ang objective. Kami po ay nangangarap ng nagkakaisang Pilipino. Kahit nasan po, kahit nasa abroad.
This is Yana Dormitorio for News at 1 Junior Edition.